Here's a little bee I caught in a wine glass. It was clinging to my window screen for a long time because it's raining. I think it got caught out in the rain. So I caught it, and I have some sage it can sit on. Right now it's just hanging out in the wine glass. Well, I brought over a marigold for it. Oops. Okay. Or a marigold for it. Hit once. I'm just gonna try to. Like, here you go, buddy. You can tell it's just drying itself off. And it's just kind of drying itself off. Right. Boop, and it's gone. Hopefully it doesn't send its whole family back to attack me. But the bees have always been a friend of mine, so hope you have a good day. Bye.